Hello guys, I'm here with another video, and in this video I'm going to discuss how to pass your car inspection. I know that there's a lot of people out there with questions such as what do I do if I have an engine light on, or how do I know if my car is ready for the state inspection, or maybe you went and it got rejected. So I'm gonna touch on several things, and hopefully this can help you out. Also, there's some tricks and tips that you can use in order to pass your car. So I'm going to discuss all of that in this video, and hopefully this can help you out. So the first thing I want to talk about is an OBD scanner. It's very important for you to go out there and buy an OBD scanner. Honestly, I think that it's important for you to invest in one of these. As a car owner, you always want to know, how your car is doing. So maybe you got a code, maybe your engine light is on. To check that, you need an OBD scanner. And it's important to have one because, if something ever happens, you have this on hand and you can check what the issue might be. A lot of people don't know how to use an OBD scanner. It's pretty simple. The most important things you got to know is how to read a code, read the codes, check your monitors, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so when you're checking your codes for checking your monitors, the first thing you want to do is connect it. So there's a special place underneath the steering wheel where you can connect your OBD cable. So just connect it. And what I like about this OBD scanner is that as soon as you connect it, it'll give you all of the information. Oh, and before you connect it, you have to put in your key and put it in the ignition start. So then it will start reading everything. And this is what I'm talking about. Your monitors are important for the state inspection. They want to see that all of them are completed. And just by looking at this, they're on green, so that means they're good. They're okay. If they were not completed or they were not ready, the color would be red. But right now it's looking good. I have no codes. It's telling me that I have no codes. So that's how you know that your car is ready for the state inspection. That's a quick way to check if your car is ready. Now, if let's say you had a code, it will tell you the information, what kind of code it is, what the problem might be. Let's say that maybe your monitor doesn't have this little feature right here. Just go to menu and look for something that says I am readiness. And it will tell you if your monitors are ready or not. The state of New Jersey requires you to have all of your monitors completed in order for you to pass your state inspection. And that sucks because there's a lot of cars out there that probably have their EVAT monitor. And the EVAT monitor sometimes takes way longer to complete than all of the others. So let's say that you see that one or two monitors are not completed or are not ready. Then you have an issue because you can't take it to the state inspection, or if you do, they'll reject it, and you don't want that. So the good thing is that the state of New Jersey has this thing where it has private shops that are licensed to do car inspections, and they usually allow, through the private shops, they allow for your car to have two monitors not ready. And this is for cars, I believe, and I'll look this up later, and I believe it's from 2012 or newer. You can have one or two monitors incomplete. That's something that I did. I looked at my inspection sticker, and I only had about a week to fix the issue and have my monitors ready to take it to the state inspection. But unfortunately, by the time that my car was ready to, go to the state inspection, it was past the deadline. So I decided to go to the private shops. And I only had the evap incomplete, so I knew I was gonna pay, but I didn't want to risk it. I decided to just take it to a private shop and get it passed there. If one thing, make sure that you don't have your engine light on if you take it to one of those private shops, because then they will reject you as well. So just make sure that you have no codes and you have 1 or 2 monitors not ready if you take it to a private shop. If you take it to a state inspection, you have to have no codes and all of them have to be ready. It's important for you to inform yourself. I found this information through the New Jersey website, so the information is out there. You just have to do a little bit of research. And every state is different. I know that there's some states that are more flexible when it comes to these kind of things. Unfortunately, the state of New Jersey is a little more strict on how they have this system in place, but it's good for you to inform yourself, do a little bit of research, and know what are the requirements for a car inspection.